If your Kia Sportage is sitting silent or just clicking when you turn the key, we need to find the break in the circuit. Statistically, 70% of starting issues are caused by a weak battery or corroded terminals rather than a mechanical failure. Before you buy a new starter motor, let's walk through the diagnostic steps to save you time and money. Start with the basics by checking battery voltage and ensuring your shifter is fully engaged in park or neutral. If you hear a single loud click when turning the key, the starter solenoid is likely receiving power but the motor is stuck. Don't overlook the starter relay or the engine ground strap, which can prevent the motor from getting enough current. If a jump start doesn't work but your lights are bright, tapping the starter with a tool might temporarily free a stuck motor. Replacing the starter yourself can save you hundreds in labor, as shop prices often exceed $500 for this job. Use a multimeter on the starter's signal wire to confirm if the ignition switch is actually telling the motor to turn over. You only need a few basic hand tools and a multimeter to perform these tests safely in your own driveway. Safety is paramount, so always pull the negative battery terminal before reaching for the starter motor's heavy wiring. If these steps helped you get your Kia Sportage running again, hit that subscribe button for more DIY automotive guides.